Hooks are like a constructor, connected callback, render callback, and disconnected callback, and error callback. Hello.
Can you explain it a little bit?
Yes, like connected callback, when like component is been ready for before in like insertion, and like when the constructor is an we have like a super keyword in the constructor, and should always call with an super first in the connected callback, involve when components are inserted into the DOM, documentation object model, and uh, we'll be using constructor keyword. It is useful to setting up the events and fetching the data. After that we'll be calling an render callback, it is this is an unique it will be in protected method, which will be like different templates based on the component states, and like a property will be there for the connected callback. And for the render callback, involves after every render the component. It means component will be initially rendered, and also it will be re-rendered due to the changes in the reactive properties. I like that. We'll be using first after files after as a connected callback in the subsequent re-rendering process. Another one is error callback, which will be calling as an error or structs. Error object, like error message will be finding in the error callback section. Another one is disconnected callback is it. Okay. Hello. Hi, Rajesh.
Yeah, you can continue.
Okay. That's all about life cycle hooks.
Yeah, next question I have already shared.
Okay. Can you explain about like LDS, like a lightning data service? Mm, I am not much worked on LDS, but without using Apex, we can use this one LSD, a lightning data service for the simple changes in the LWC. It performs create, read, update, delete on Salesforce record without writing an Apex code. We can use, that's all about this LSD, lightning data service. Hello. Mm, if I want to apply the styles based on the templates, unload it, and okay, how I can styles, uh, we can apply through the CSS through the file component to the existing LWC component. From that we can use the CSS for the styling templates in the LWC. For the documentation, we can create under the LWC component in we'll be using I'll give an example, we'll be using an a VS Code, a Visual Studio on this CSS. That one about CSS. If you have a requirement HTML template ABC based on the profile, we need to load ABC. How can we achieve that? This one parent, like parent to child and child to grandparent, we can do this one. by using this promise we can do this one. From the promise function we can do this one by using a grant variant. In LWC where you code it and because HTML is on server side. Like it is an example I have to write in code for this, Nazia?
No, you can explain it just.
Okay. For example, so for example, I have component A, component B. For a system admin, I should component A HTML template. Another user is B HTML template. Okay, in LWC, where you code it based on HTML is an server side. This one we can code like server side and non-server side, like in HTML we can code this by like asynchronously we can do it. I don't know about much about this example. I am unable to understand this. Like
Okay. Okay, no issues, Srikanth. Thank you
okay,
for attending the meet. We'll get back to you on the update.
okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you, Nazir.